Installing gasket on ultrasonic spring frame. Put the gasket groove on the edge of the spring frame. Rotate the spring frame and put on the gasket at the other end. Installing the internal transducer. Manual tightening. Tighten by wrench again. Place the spring frame on the machine, rotating ultrasonic transducer position. Leave some space and don't cover it completely. Pass the ultrasound line through the outlet. Put the silicone gasket, metal washers and nut from the connecting wire into the elbow. Manually tighten the elbow nut. Tighten by wrench again. The ultrasonic spring frame is placed close and parallel to the sieve machine. Check whether the spring frame and the machine is aligned. Put into the sieve deck. Fix the spring frame and the sieve deck by clamp ring. Manually lock clamp rings of two ends. Tighten the two end clamp rings again with the ratchet wrench. Ultrasonic transducer connection line to connect external cables. Manual locking connector. External wiring connection to ultrasonic generator. Locking connector. Turn on the ultrasonic generator. Increase power. Adjustment is completed after stroke. The material jumps frequently. Reduce power. The material jumps small frequency. The installation and debugging of ultrasonic spring frame has been completed.